recommend. This thing, do not recommend. Whew! You know, I've been making myself available like longer than the evenings, like into the evenings, just because, you know, I'm like, I need to work more. Let's see what happens. And tonight I'm working at 7:30 for the microwave thing, and tomorrow I just got hired for a job at 6 p.m. Wait, look at that beauty. Wow. It's raining today, so there's nobody here. Oh my god, cool bench, love it. Murky today. I really feel like I'm in Japan. Look at this cute little bridge. Wow. I can't get enough. So pretty. Everywhere I turn, there's like a little trail. So there's a waterfall behind me that I just showed. There's another one on top of it. Wow. It's a dahlia. So this is what I got. It was $109-ish. It was like a little under 109. Got the charger. Oh wow, this is so light. So the battery is in the back. Oh, comes out like that at the bottom. Will that suffice? So there's 2 speeds. I'm home. Excuse me. I was successful in installing that microwave, over the range microwave, and it was a lot more difficult than I had imagined, but only because of the like drilling the holes that would go on underneath the cabinet. It came with a template, but they had like so many, or they had a cord and it was uneven, the bottom part of the cabinet, so I couldn't I could not put the template, like tape the template on there, so that's why it took a while. And then mounting it obviously was kind of difficult, but I was able to do it by myself. I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna show her. I only have one job again today. I had 2 jobs, but my noon job got canceled. We're at the Seattle Chinese Garden today. Look how pretty. Wow. Oh, there's water over there. So this is at a community college that I used to go to 10 years ago. I had no idea this was here. Maybe this wasn't here. Maybe it's new. I hope that's the case. I feel really dumb now. There's koi or goldfish or something. You see the fishies? Hey, get out of there. No, sit. Sit. Stay. Wait. Wow, look at the handsome. So I just entered through that entrance, and look what's right in front of me. Do you see it? Do you see it? Smack dab in between the trees. Space Needle. There's construction going on, but do you see the orca? It's an orca sighting. Yeah, I had a 12 o'clock job today, but they said they had some work stuff to do, so they wanted to reschedule. So I have a 9 o'clock. I moved her at 9 o'clock tomorrow, and I have a supposedly big job at 1 o'clock tomorrow as well. So March is starting out to be kind of slow. Only been working 1 job a day, so I for sure cannot take any full days off. I have to work every single day in March to make my earnings goal. Stay. This is kind of cool. Sure. Are these cherry blossoms? I think they are. Huh. I have a cherry blossom tattoo and I don't even know how to recognize them. I think this is a little too shallow. Wow, but look at the sky reflecting off of the water. Oh, I see an orca right there. Let's get close.
Standing over in a nightgown. She's got the phone cord twisted around her finger. She's a sight to see. See Jane, why you staring out the window? Oh, with the red eyes, tell me his name has got you tangled
Oh
up.
shit. Oh, look at my strong, handsome. I can't get all of them. My handsome boy with them. So I just looked it up. The garden was created in 1989. 33 years ago, the year I was born. I'm at my 6 o'clock job. I dropped off sugar at home, and it is to assemble a nightstand and put up some small shelves. So I'm here, parked and ready to go. Don't know if I should bring my ladder, but yeah. The client said it's only gonna be a 1-hour job, and it took me like 50 minutes to drive here, so yeah, I'm kind of losing money on all this traffic, but at the end of the day, I am doing a lot of market research right now until I figure out where I want to live next, so it's all good. It's all worth it. Don't know how I feel about this lighting, but anyway, my 6 o'clock job ended up being assembling a Fred Meyer coffee table, which was really easy. That took me like maybe 30 minutes, maybe a little less, and maybe like another 30 minutes to put up those 2 other shelves, which was 2 of the same thing. Really hoping that the rest of the month gets busier if people don't cancel on me last minute and I'm able to book more jobs. It's not so late, but yeah, today's client seemed to be nice. Hopefully she'll call me back for other things. But yeah. I don't know if this will be the end, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you're not sick of my like parks and beautiful scenery content, because that's gonna continue to come. My goal for the month is to go to a new park with sugar every single month. So, I mean every single week. So yeah, I can't talk because I'm tired and I'm having a beer. All right, cheers.